Welcome back to DavidSW. Today we have the pleasure to share with you the AP Royal Oak Double Balance Openwork. Since the inception of the Royal Oak in 1972, we've seen many different variations, but very few come close to the Royal Oak Double Balance Openwork. This is a grail for AP collectors. At first glance, it may seem there's only one balance wheel, but look closer. We've decided to shoot this in 120 frames per second so you can get a full view of the double balance in action. Needless to say, the finishing on the Openwork dial is exceptional. The gray dial features contrasting rose gold markers and hands for incredible visual appeal. We've got both the stainless steel and the rose gold variant, both featuring the exact same specifications besides the case materials. This timepiece features a 41mm case by 51.2mm from lug to lug and a total thickness of 10mm. For your reference, my wrist is 6.5 inches. Both timepieces fit very comfortably on the wrist. Do note, the rose gold case is a lot heavier than the stainless steel. The weight difference is noticeable, but still very comfortable. Powering this timepiece is the caliber 3132, which has a frequency of 3 Hz or 21,600 vibrations per hour. This movement also provides a total power reserve of 45 hours. Thank you for watching. For more information and purchasing details, please visit our website davidsw.com.